Hello everyone. Today we are going to start about adjacent angles. As you can see here, I have three rays here: AB, AC, AD. AC is a ray forming angle 1 with ray AB and angle 2 with ray AD. Now we are saying angle 1. This angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. What is the meaning of this? When will you say one angle is adjacent to the other angle? For this, there are some conditions. Between these two angles, see there, is there any common arm? Yes, we have one common arm between 1 and 2. So, first rule is, there should be a common arm. So AC is common arm between 1 and 2. Second thing is, there should be a common vertex. Which one is the common vertex between 1 and 2? A. A is the common vertex at which both the angles are forming. Third condition is non-common arms. What do you mean by non-common arms? See, AC is common arm. Why I am saying common? Because it lies between AD and AB. So AC is common arm, AD and AB, these are non-common arms. So AC lies in between and AD and AB are non-common arms. So what is the rule for non-common arms? So non-common arms should lie on either side of common arm. What is the meaning of that? That non-common arms should lie on the opposite side of this common arm. Are you getting me? Now see this activity I am doing with notebook. Suppose you have this kind of shape. You can see here there are two line segments. Here we are talking about line segment. Just for understanding I am doing it. You can see there are two angles. First angle, second angle. I am saying this angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Why? Because this one is common arm. These are non-common arms. Understood? I am repeating. This one is common arm and these two are non-common arms. You can see these non-common arms are on the either side of common arm and all these arms have common vertex. All are starting from same vertex. All the arms are coming from same vertex. This one is the common vertex. So we have done with the common vertex. We have done with the non-common arms which are on the either side of common arm. And third condition is common arm. Is there common arm? Yes, common arm between two non-common arms. So have you understood about adjacent angles? So rules are, first thing you have to check there should be common vertex. As in this figure, A is common vertex. Common arm. Between 1 and 2, there is a common arm. And third one is non-common arms are on the either side of common arm. So AB and AD are on the either side of common arm. Common arm here is AC. If both the arms AB and AD are on the same side of AC, then you will say 1 and 2 both are not adjacent. Now we are trying these some questions. Question number 1, try these. It is on page number 97. A part, first part is this kind of figure you have to tell is angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2? Think about it. Yes, 1 is adjacent to angle 2 because see here, this one is common arm. These two are non-common arms which are on either side and all the rays are coming from common vertex. So we have common vertex, we have common arm, and non-common arms are on the either side of the common arm. So all the conditions are verified. So you will say yes, here angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Now come to the next part, it is third part. In this you have to check, is angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2? First condition, common vertex. Is there common vertex? See, angle 1 is here and angle 2 is at different point. So they don't have common vertex, as first condition is not satisfied. So you will say no, angle 1 is not adjacent to angle 2. There is no common vertex. Come to question number 4. In this you have to check again, is angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2? Check all the conditions. Is there common vertex? Yes, there is common vertex because angle 1 and angle 2 both are at common vertex. And second thing is common arm. Is there any common arm? Suppose I am giving the name A, B, C, D. So check, is there any common arm between 1 and 2? B, D is common arm here. You can see common arm. Which one is the common arm? Which arm is common in both? So BD is coming in angle 1 and angle 2. In both the angle 1 and angle 2, BD is coming. So BD is common arm. So we have common arm also. Now check the third condition, non-common arms. So BC and AB, these are non-common arms. They should be on the either side. Are they on the either side of common arm? No. So third condition not verified. So you will say no, angle 1 is not adjacent to angle 2 because non-common arm are on the same side of common arm. I hope you understood this topic. I am repeating, these three conditions should verify before saying that angle 1 angle is adjacent to angle 2.